Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knowledge Chest, where we make learning accessible for everyone. Today we're going to learn how to play the C minor chord on the guitar. This video is designed for beginners and for our visually impaired friends. Let's get started. First, let's position our fingers correctly on the fretboard. For the C minor chord, we'll be using 3 fingers on the left hand, your index finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. We'll start with your index finger. Place it flat across all the strings on the 3rd fret. This is called barring the fret. Make sure you press down firmly on all the strings from the low E string to the high E string. Next, take your ring finger and place it on the 5th fret of the A string. The A string is the 2nd thickest string, right below the low E string. Now, take your pinky finger and place it on the 5th fret of the D string. The D string is right below the A string. Once your fingers are in place, strum all the strings from the low E string to the high E string. You should hear a smooth minor chord sound. If any of the strings sound muted, adjust your fingers to press down more firmly. Remember, the C minor chord can be tricky at first, especially when barring the 3rd fret with your index finger, and I'm quite sure that there are easier ways to play this chord, but this is the way that produces the best sound and the most beautiful sound that I have ever come across. Practice is key, so keep at it and you'll get it in no time. That's it for today's lesson. As usual, I have put a link in the description where you can actually listen to the chord. I did my best to record a video where I play the chord, so please feel free to listen to it, and I hope it also helps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy strumming.